Customizing iOS 18 home screen is super fun only if you know all the cool tricks. So if your customization game is lacking in some great idea, let me help you out with 4 quick tips. And first one, place the app icons anywhere on your iPhone home screen so that you can customize the home screen to your heart's liking. Just long press on the home screen and perfectly rearrange the app icons. And when you are in the jiggle mode, just hit the edit button at the top left corner of the screen and then choose the customize option, and then make your app icons look bigger or smaller, just like this. And to change the app icons color, just select the tinted option in the menu and then use the color sliders to perfectly customize the entire appearance of your app icons. And to change the widget size, just find the widget that you want to edit and then long press on it. Under the edit section, you have to choose the preferred size such as small, medium, large, and you are good to go. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.